Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
Shillong Traffic Police hagajing tray berka District Medical and Health Official hagastab jong kasngi baar ka apu altrek uyayong aja aposan kila penlong ka free medical camps. Kani ka free medical camps kalong ki nongniah kali kamai badaki pulit penyat kali kaba la penlong hagandai lat. Habai keren hakan kasngi haswa banale ka free medical camps na kalyang Superintendent of Police Traffic UK Prasad Kulong bakathong jong kane ka medical health camps kadai ban ay jing smart ay ne free medical health camps nalokata ulakanturu yabaro baki day ban shimkhya ka kot ka khya loyo ru ka jing kren kot na kalyang ki doctor ban pensngo pat ba badan kam badan hakamet ka phat ka bakot bakhya bakin sngo bha ban le test ne pha pej ki doctor knang ban light na kano ka jing le hadin bhabot nama ka jing smart shwa nikong nala de kalong ka jing tai bha.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shampru. Ngin yok senar menta na i Dr. Z, Dr. S Marbanyang ENT specialist. Kepada i ban keren kendian.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Dr. S. Marbanyang, ENT specialist and nodal officer of the National Program for Control and Prevention of Deafness. So, first of all, I would like to thank the Superintendent of Police, Traffic East Khasi Hills for inviting us and for conducting this medical camp today. I would like to brief shortly about the deafness and the hearing impaired. So, to define, first of all, hearing impaired is a person who is not able to hear as a normal person, and the hearing loss can be it can be mild, moderate, or severe hearing loss, and it can be of three types. That hearing loss are very large process are there. It can start right from the conception of the mother, right from the womb, conception of the baby. When the mother has any diseases or any fever, the baby in the womb can later have hearing loss.
Health camp was to give a free medical health camp, because last time what the additional SPP said that we had already planned, but that has to be postponed due to the preoccupations of different VIP visits and some extra engagement. So this time we thought that we will organize, and I am very happy to say that the response what we have got from the DMNHO office, from the DMNHO and the additional DMNHOs and all the doctors fraternity and the staffs who are present there is very encouraging and welcoming. Once again, I would say that this health camp is not only limited for the police personnel but for the drivers also, because both of them are on the roads and they are having the stress, they are suffering from the sound pollutions as well as different kinds of the ailments they are having, and we don't have the proper medical checkups in order to ensure their safety and betterment for their health. This camp is very important. I would request each and everyone, those who are present here, to avail this opportunity so that we will be safe on the road and you will be safe, because as I used to say that always remember that someone is waiting for you. Thank you very much.
And then here we are having a TB screening, NCD screening, and then this one eye checkup and ENT camp we are organizing from the health department. Thank you.
For driving or police department only, or
Yeah, for the police department, for traffic police.
traffic police?
Yes.
And for drive
And the driver.
drivers.
Taxi driver.
Can you see us any what?
Nowadays, like NCD, this one, so many cases happening. Like suddenly, young people, they are just look so healthy, and suddenly they are collapsing. Like you can see, like they are having stroke and all, because that so many people, they are not aware like what they are having, because we are nowadays so busy work schedule and all. So like so if we do the checkup like NCD screening, like mostly that hypertension, diabetes and all, no? So like it is important to have a health checkup every now and then. So like that's why we are organizing the NCD screening so that hypertension, we can diagnose hypertension and diabetes at the earlier age because they are the silent killers. So it is nowadays it is very essential to have the NCD screening. So in our hospital also, like we have made it mandatory, like every 30 years people, whoever is coming to our health facilities, might be they are coming for some other diseases, but then we make it mandatory, like 30 plus years, people, they have to do screening for NCD, like hypertension, diabetes and or that cancer screening. So like whether this one, 30 plus is compulsory, like, we make it mandatory in all the health facility, PHC, CHC, UPHC, we are having 13 UPHC, the substantive is mandatory, like we made it mandatory.
This is first time you organize like this program, or
Pardon?
this is first time you organize like this program?
Now, we've been doing camp very often from the PHC side, and then every month like we used to have, but then this is a special request from the police department, so we are doing. Like recently we had a intensive NCD screening in all the department we were, and we got a good response.